TVS Apache RTR 204V has always been one of our favorite motorcycles. It is light, agile, fun to ride and an excellent value for money package. But the recent round of updates on the bike takes it to the next level. I mean, the Apache RTR 204V that you see here, it gets adjustable suspension, not fully, but yes, adjustable suspension, adjustable clutch and brake levers, and most importantly, this one gets 3 riding modes. Segment first features all of them. The Apache 200 is now fully loaded, more so than it was ever before. The front suspension is adjustable for preload with a total of 16 clicks between the stiffest and the softest setup. This means that the front end feels better connected to tarmac, offering you more confidence to tackle corners with gusto. But more on that later. But before we dive into all the new features and technology that the motorcycle gets, let's take a quick look at the design. The Apache 200 retains its sharp, aggressive demeanor thanks to all the creases and edges, which is beautifully complemented by the new matte blue color scheme and new graphics, which TVS says is inspired by the One Make Championship race bike. Coming to the engine, the Apache 200 continues to get a BS6 compliant 197.75cc single cylinder engine, which feels refined and smooth till about 6500 rpm. Once you cross that, there is a slight buzz felt on the handlebars and the foot pegs, but that is hardly going to happen till the time you're riding in the city. The buzz is felt only when you're ringing the throttle in the sport mode and riding on the highway. And oh, the exhaust note is quite likable. There are 3 riding modes to choose from, which are Sport, Urban and Rain. One can toggle through the modes on the fly as well, but you'll have to close the throttle. The engine makes a maximum of 20.54 bhp at 9000 rpm and 17.25 Nm of maximum torque at 7250 rpm in the Sport mode, and the claimed top speed is 127 km per hour. In the Rain and Urban mode, the power and torque drop down to 17 brake horsepower and 16.51 Nm. The top speed too drops down to 105 km per hour. Different riding modes also alter the performance of the ABS as well. The ABS is most intrusive in the Rain mode. It is slightly dialed down in the Urban mode, while the Sport mode offers least intrusive ABS setting. Otherwise, braking on the motorcycle is sharp and offers decent balance between bite and progression. The grip from TVS Eurogrip radial tire at the rear is commendable too. I know what you're thinking here, and no, there is no ride-by-wire here, but each mode alters the power and torque output along with the fueling. At low speeds, there's not a palpable difference between the riding modes, but as you increase the speed, Sport mode works better. In the Urban and the Rain mode, the rev limiter cuts in at about 8000 rpm, while in the Sport mode, you can redline the engine till 9000 rpm. The RTR 200 was always an agile, nimble handler to begin with, and it continues to be so. In fact, with the front Showa suspension adjustable for preload, you can choose between a plush ride or dial it all the way up for a stiff setting in case you're riding on a racetrack, or you can adjust the suspension according to your weight. The handling, as we told you, is absolutely spot on, fantastic, and a simple coin is all it takes
to adjust the suspension. The rear monoshock though, it's a slightly tricky affair because you have to remove the side panels to reach the monoshock and make the adjustments.
With the suspension set up according to your weight, the handling on the bike goes up a few extra notches. Ride quality on bad roads is stiff but not uncomfortable. But make sure you have the exact setting on each fork. Otherwise the tire wear will not be even and the bike may not be as stable. The 5-speed gearbox is quite slick and works well in the city. But if you want to keep doing triple-digit speeds continuously, you'll feel the need of a 6th gear to keep the revs down and performance smoother. The front brake and clutch lever get 3-step adjustability as well, with 1 being the lightest and 3 having the maximum bite.
An ex-showroom price of 1,33,000 rupees and the amount of features and technology that TVS has managed to pack into the Apache RTR 200 4V, it is very impressive to say the least. Excellent value for money. The new RTR 200 4V caters to the urban enthusiast who wishes to have a piece of race-inspired technology in his or her bike and be able to ride it day in, day out. And most importantly, have fun at that. In our opinion, the RTR 200 4V continues to be the best sport naked option in the segment.